Introducing the 2021 Ford Puma ST-Line X in stunning blue exterior, this SUV is packed with comfort, safety and style features. With 4,000 miles on the clock, this 1-litre petrol engine with manual transmission is a dream to drive. From ambient lighting and satellite navigation to collision avoidance braking and lane departure warning, this vehicle has it all. With an anti-corrosion warranty and stop and start system, you can drive worry-free. Rest assured, this vehicle has a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. Call us or visit hillsford.co.uk for more information.